someone is invading the premises.
Will you marry me?
Oh my god. Hey everyone, I'm Leanne. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. If you are here and you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm in Vegas. Actually, we are in Vegas. You're not in Vegas, but I'm pretending you're here because otherwise I'm just talking to nobody in my room. Grant's also here, but he is in a conference. It's like a continuing education kind of thing, as if he was not being educated for long enough. Whatever, I support these things. But I kind of had the date open, and of course a normal person would be like, relax, enjoy life, do Vegas, live it up. No, not me. I'm like, I gotta shoot a video. So first thing this morning, like immediately after waking up, I get on Instagram stories because that's definitely what you guys want to see. And I explained that I was thinking about doing one of those like glow up transformation videos that a lot of people did like maybe a year ago. People are still kind of doing them, so of course now's the time for me. I got a lot of really good suggestions. Thank you for that, people of Instagram, but one stuck out to me. One of them rose above the others, and I have to do it. Basically, she just said, do a get ready with me if I was having a cheese Vegas wedding video married by Elvis. Girl, yes. The minute I read that, I was like, yes, sign me up, I'm in, let's go. But I decided to kind of combine it with a couple of the other suggestions because I cannot stop making things complicated. That is just who I am. So I got a lot that said do like a super glam Vegas transformation. Some of them said do a retro Vegas transformation. All of these things speak to me. Actually, there's another major runner-up that said to do a Golden Girls transformation, like a slot machine stalker Vegas transformation. And ooh, I want to. But because of the dinner plans that we have for tonight, Grant made a reservation at Golden Steer, which is a super old school style Vegas steakhouse. It opened in 1958, and I don't really know very much about it. I feel like it might be like a little bit kitschy. I read that Marilyn Monroe, Elvis, the Rat Pack, probably way more people that are significant also ate there. And Grant and I are just like fascinated by the whole old school Vegas glam thing. It's just so cool, and it basically doesn't exist anymore. Like, we're staying in the Aria right now. This is probably the exact opposite of like old school cool Vegas style, but I'm definitely not complaining. I'm hoping I can pull this off. I texted Grant the idea and he was like, yeah, we should go to one of the wedding chapels and get remarried. I was like, wait, what? Like, can you even do that? Are we allowed? Is this allowed? We've only been married for like 7 months. We can't get married again. That's weird, but maybe. Oh, and there's another reason why I have to do this video. At one point in my life, I thought Grant and I were gonna get married in Vegas. I briefly told this story in my closet declutter that I did last year because I showed this white dress that was not at all a wedding dress, but it was really cute. And I packed it for the road trip in 2017 because I knew we were stopping in Vegas, and I thought maybe, just maybe, we would get married. I don't know why I thought that. I'm pretty sure Grant never thought that, but I wanted to be prepared. Why am I crazy? This is kind of coming a little bit full circle for me. Yes, I am already married, but let's just see what happens. Okay, I need to stop telling stories. I'm sorry, I have a lot of things to do and I'm not doing good on time. So number one, I need to get an outfit. I'm really nervous about that one because if I can't find the right thing, it's all kind of ruined. I need to get my nails done. I need to get my hair done. I need to take a shower. I'm kind of gross and I'm actually like sweating in this room right now because I'm sitting in front of a giant window and I feel like I'm about to burst into flames. And then I also need some makeup. Desperately need some makeup on this face. My skin is not doing well, but I'm just gonna do my makeup on my own. But first things first, I need to take a shower and wash my hair. I actually did make a hair appointment at a place called Atomic Style Lounge, and they do vintage styles. I'm so excited to go there. I don't even know what I want my hair to look like yet, but I'll figure it out sometime between now and 3. And I was kind of surprised because she said you need to come in with clean hair. I felt like vintage styles would work better on dirty hair, but whatever. I'll wash it if you make me. Whoa, baby, the salad is huge. Let's hear it for health and wellness and running out of time. Okay, my hair is finally dry. I put on kind of bare bones makeup just so I can feel cute whenever I'm trying stuff on and getting my hair done and everything. But this is definitely not the final look. Next stop is going and trying to find an outfit. If I can't find the right kind of retro outfit, I'm a little bit screwed because right after that I have my hair appointment scheduled. So let's cross our fingers that I find something good. I have a couple places in mind. Hopefully they're not really far away. I didn't plan enough for this. I don't really have time to think about it not working because now I gotta go catch an Uber and just do it.
What's really cool about this hotel is they actually have an installation by one of my favorite artists, Jimmy Holsler.
And for some reason they put it right by the valet area. I don't really understand it, but I love it. So when I got to downtown Vegas, the first shop that I went to is called Rockin' Betty, and they were so nice and so helpful, and they had a huge selection. I wanted to spend so much more time in there trying on so much more stuff, but like I said, I needed to be focused and I needed to make this outfit happen. It turned out this outfit really wasn't what I had in mind, but luckily they told me about Glam Factory, which is right next door. And this place is a gold mine. I kid you not. If you're going to Vegas, if you like vintage clothes, this place is everything. I found a few dresses I really loved and headed to the dressing room. Obviously, with vintage, you don't have a big selection of sizes. You just gotta make it work. And especially if you're a YouTuber that did not plan out her video, you really gotta make it work. And if this dress does not zip up, which was, you know, almost all of the dresses I picked, it ain't gonna work.
Okay, so I actually just bought 2 dresses and I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with. One is hot pink, the other one is white and 70s and is like my dream look. I couldn't decide. I didn't have time because my hair appointment is in like 3 minutes, so I'm walking and I'm kind of out of breath.
Okay, so I just made it to my hair appointment. Actually, I didn't just make it here. I've been here a minute. We're working on my hair. This is Jerry, and we're going for kind of like a Bridget Bardot kind of 70s look.
Oh yeah, give her that volume.
So basically, it's like the hair I've always wanted, and I got the dress like I've always wanted. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna do, so I might be running back to Glam Factory. I was in and out of there so fast. I have to go back because there's so much I didn't get to see, and I know they've got the accessories, and I'm not sure if they'll have the shoes, but I'm just gonna have to figure it out because I'm wearing this dress and I'm so excited. Very excited about this hair too. I'm gonna have all the volume in the world. Okay, so now we're just taking a minute and letting my curls set. You guys don't even understand how excited I am to have this look become a reality for me. All right, the hair is complete. I'm so happy. I'm living for this moment. And now I'm walking back over to Glam Factory where I got the dresses, and I'm gonna try to get some accessories. I am definitely feeling the time crunch right now, but I think it's all gonna work out because this place is amazing. I didn't even notice this guy when I was in here earlier. All right, I'm back. I got the goods. And look who's already here. Snacking on some little Sour Patches. It's only just after 6 and it's already like pitch black outside, which I'm kind of bummed about, but I still have 2 more things to complete the glow up process. I just need to do my nails, which I tried to go to another place, but they were totally booked up and they weren't taking anybody. So I was just like, screw it, I'm gonna do it myself. I've already spent enough money today. And I also need to finish my makeup. I have kind of the basics on right now and I was planning on totally redoing it, but I don't think there's time for that. So I'm gonna get these nails done and then get my outfit on. And then I'm gonna hit the town with my 60s, 70s style glow up. My nails are fully busted and crusted, and the only color I have with me is the same one that I'm wearing, and it's called Pin to Perfection. Ooh la la. Oh! Ew, ASMR. Oh! No! Why? This is the old packaging though, so I think they've improved the packaging since then, so hopefully this just doesn't happen to everybody everywhere, but definitely was not part of the plan. But yeah, just going right into that channel. All right, I'm ready. Oh, it's really echoey in here. Accessories and all. I have my dress on. I've got my shoes on, which I already have these shoes. You guys know these are my boots of life. I will never stop loving them. I couldn't find some shoes that would work for the outfit, and I think these are okay, especially with the black jewelry. It was definitely a really bad choice for me to do my nails dead last because now I can't touch anything, but finally my transformation is complete, and now I'm gonna get Grant's reaction because he hasn't seen, you see my hair, he hasn't seen the makeup or my outfit. Are you making sounds before you even see me? Da, 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 da.
Oh my gosh, look at you.
Do you like it?
I love it. Perfect. Wow, that's so you.
It's
You
my new
look
self.
Glammed up, gorgeous, ready to go.
This is my final form.
It's your final, it's the only form you'll ever need. Your whole life's been leading right up to this moment.
It's true. He knows me. Am I glowed up?
You are a shining Vegas spotlight, burning bright like the sun among the dollar store lighters in the neon moon.
In the neon moon. Okay, this is getting weird. So, let me show you. I need to show you like a full body. These boots were made for walking. These boots are gonna walk all over you. From here, we're going out to dinner, and what else are we doing? Anything?
We'll see where the night takes us.
Ooh la la, I like the sound of that.
They let us sit at the mayor's table.
We stole your spot.
So, if you like vlogs from my channel, go to my vlog channel, subscribe. I put out new vlogs every week, and I will be vlogging the rest of this weekend, and so that'll be on my vlog channel. It's called Leigh Vlogs. Very creative, I know. Give this video a like if you feel like this should be my final form and I should never deviate from this outfit slash hair slash makeup. All thumbs up are welcome, so have at it. Oh, I did tell them it was gonna be a wedding thing, aka our wedding, aka will you marry me? No, you can't kneel also.
Oh, you're not kneeling, I'm kneeling.
I'm kneeling.
I'm kneeling.
I was kneeling.
I kneel
You were
first.
looking at the door. I was trying to propose and you're like, who's at the door?
Someone's trying to get into our room.
Classic Grant. Someone is invading the premises.
Will you marry me?
Oh my gosh. Okay, new title. My glow up was so good, he proposed again. If you're curious about the rest of my weekend, definitely go over to my vlog channel and subscribe. Subscribe here too. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. I love you. Bye. I just got so distracted. What happened? I'm also seriously sweating. Can't even like put this together in a string of words that make sense. Okay. What's the meaning of this?
I'm just here to support you.
It's just getting weirder and weirder. Woo!